My sincere thanks to all of you for your great care of my mom, May Marlin. She was in tears when she got to my vehicle. I know she hated to leave all of you. She considers you her friends. She will be busy at home with therapies for a while. God bless you for all the wonderful people you are and for the great jobs you do. Bonnie Newman.
The Fulton County Medical Center is the healthcare provider of choice for this community and surrounding areas by providing person-centered care, state-of-the-art technology, and services to our patients in a way that reflects our commitment, competence, and compassion.
Over the last 5 years, I have seen a major change in this hospital as far as care and as far as support. They seem to change. The care is amazing. The hospital staff's great. I have no complaints. I would feel secure coming here.
Well, it struck us anew as we drove in this morning what a beautiful setting it is, the Fulton County Medical Center, nestled in here among the mountains. And compared to going to an inner city hospital, all the traffic, we have lots of parking. The beauty of the facility, easy to get in, easy to get out, a real friendly staff, and Barb and I both experienced many aspects of the Med Center. I went through the cardiac rehab program. We've both been through physical therapy, used the lab. We see the doctors and the specialty services doctors here. It's just a wonderful environment, and we're really blessed and pleased to have it here.
Yes, we consider ourselves very blessed, and because we've been here so much, using so many of the services available, we consider the patients here and the staff part of our extended family. Truly, Fulton County Medical Center is a small facility with a huge heart, and we thank you, Fulton County Medical Center.
And the Fulton County Medical Center knows all about huge hearts, because if it weren't for you and your generous support over the past 7 decades, we wouldn't be here. Our mission is to continuously to improve the health of our community. A hospital or medical center is a reflection of its community. We are not corporate, and we're not about earnings and shares. We are Fulton County Medical Center with 3 focus points: accessibility, affordability, and quality care. Over the past 3 years, your financial gifts to the Fulton County Medical Center Foundation have allowed us to provide a children's therapy playground, create a wound care center, purchase equipment and modalities for long-term care and surgical services, expand the emergency department, and construct the long-term care canopy. It is the strong connection between the Fulton County Medical Center and the community which we serve that underscores our strength.
The importance of giving to the Fulton County Medical Center is multiple levels. When you live and work in the community, and I live in the community, and you get to know a lot of people in the community, it advances medical care within the community, and actually it allows more people to stay at the hospital here. Because we're already keeping people here at the hospital that we used to have to transfer out because of maybe we didn't have the appropriate equipment, or maybe we didn't have the appropriate technology, or we weren't able to recruit some physicians to help keep some of these patients here. But by donating money to the hospital, we're able to, number 1, recruit physicians and staff, number 2, buy the specified equipment, and number 3, do outreach within the community that allows us to educate the community to what we have here to offer. We're offering multiple outpatient services now that wouldn't be available if we did not have specific donations to the hospital.
Well, the importance of giving here is to keep this first-class hospital here in our own backyard. You know, there was a time that we had hospital here, and it's grown and it's got better, but this new facility is wonderful for a couple of reasons. One, that we do in fact have health care close to home. The other thing is that we've been able, because of our facility, we've been able to bring specialty doctors here. You know, in our old facility, specialty doctors didn't want to come there, but now we have great treating rooms, they have good staff, they're happy to come to us.
You, your family, your friends, and your neighbors have all made a difference. It is the philanthropic support the Fulton County Medical Center Foundation receives that advances our shared goal of becoming one of the healthiest communities in our state.
When the medical center began as a community effort back in 1948-53, and at that time it was a group of ladies that got together and did a bake sale and sold pies and cakes and raised a lot of money to get the new hospital started and built. And ever since then they've been active in many different ways, starting with making baby blankets and baby caps and just doing a lot of different things for the hospital, and it just has grown and grown to what we do today. But we give Mike money for the foundation, and we turn around and we have a bake sale and we raise $1,200, $1,500, and we're just totally amazed at the hospital and the community that support us.
Well, first of all, he was in the Merchant Marines as an officer for 38 years, and he had been into 70 countries. He had 265 voyages, and in those trips he saw how the United States compared with most of the rest of the world, and also how Fulton County compared. And so he still looked on this as the best spot in the world. He was very thoughtful, empathetic, and tried to be helpful. And so he gave some of his material goods to 8 different charities. And one of those charities was the Fulton County Medical Center. He had a lot of trips to the emergency room and spent the last couple of weeks of his life in the medical center.
Anytime someone gives you a gift, it's an amazing thing. And when Archie Bergstresser and their family gave us the gift for the emergency department to buy some equipment, it was a great blessing to not only us, the organization, and to the community. The first piece of equipment we bought was a CMAC machine, which sounds like a complicated name, but it's to put someone on life support. And this piece of equipment has already saved multiple lives in the community. We've only had it for a few months. We probably use it on a weekly basis, and it makes putting someone on life support much easier. It actually gives us the technology that some of the bigger hospitals could easily afford, whereas we would have had a little bit more trouble affording that.
The Medical Center has been blessed by many individuals who have created a personal legacy by supporting our health care programs and services through planned gifts or gifts in their wills. Barton, Bergstresser, Carball, Grissinger, Grove, Henderson, Nepper, Kuntz, McLaughlin, Malott, Miller, Palmer, Scheimer, Shockey, Williams, and Williamson. The Dr. McKinley Society honors those extraordinary people who have remembered Fulton County Medical Center in their estate plans. Your gift to the Fulton County Medical Center Foundation provides the highest quality of care to our patients and makes the broadest possible impact on health care in our community. On behalf of the Fulton County Medical Center and the Fulton County Medical Center Foundation, we thank you